Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P060A pertains specifically to a malfunction detected within the Powertrain Control Module, commonly referred to as the PCM. This module is a key component of the vehicle's electronic systems, essentially serving as the brain that interprets and executes engine and transmission functions. The PCM is located within the engine compartment, typically mounted on the main frame to shield it from external elements. This diagnostic trouble code could appear in both pending and confirmed states, indicating whether a problem is currently active or has been previously logged. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial, as the PCM influences engine performance, fuel economy, and emissions control. If not properly diagnosed and repaired, a faulty PCM can lead to various driving issues and ultimately compromise vehicle reliability. The Powertrain Control Module plays a pivotal role in managing engine and transmission operations. It processes input from various sensors, making real-time decisions to optimize performance and efficiency. Commonly located in the engine compartment, the PCM is usually mounted securely to prevent damage from vibrations or heat. When the DTC P060A is triggered, it indicates an internal malfunction within the PCM itself, which may prevent the proper execution of critical vehicle functions. This can result in poor engine performance and increased emissions. It is essential to routinely check the PCM for software updates and other issues to prevent these problems. There are several potential causes that can lead to the P06A code being triggered. One primary cause is outdated software within the PCM, which may lead to inefficient processing and system failures. A defective PCM itself is another possible cause. Internal components may degrade over time, leading to malfunctions. Additionally, poor electrical connections, such as corroded terminals or loose wiring, can disrupt communication between the PCM and other vehicle systems. It's crucial to investigate these causes systematically to ensure proper repair and functionality of the electronic control systems. By pinpointing the root cause, you can better decide on the necessary course of action to take. Symptoms associated with the DTC P06A may vary, but they can significantly affect driving experience. One common indication of a malfunctioning PCM is noticeable engine performance issues, such as poor acceleration or hesitation during driving. You may also experience increased emissions, which not only impacts environmental sustainability, but can also lead to failing emissions tests. Furthermore, drivers may observe warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, such as the check engine light. These symptoms should not be taken lightly, as they can indicate more significant underlying issues if the PCM is not functioning correctly. It's important to address these symptoms promptly to maintain vehicle performance and reliability. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the vehicle's condition and observing the state of the diagnostic trouble code. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, referred to as HDS, to clear the DTC codes currently logged in the system. This helps in resetting the PCM and allows you to capture any new data that may surface. After clearing the codes, it's necessary to check for any existing confirmed or pending DTCs with the HDS. If DTC P060A appears again, it indicates that further investigation is required. In the second step of troubleshooting, verify the presence of DTC P06A once more after clearing the codes. If the code reappears, one effective approach is to check if the PCM has the latest software update. Manufacturers frequently release updates that rectify known issues. If the software is outdated, Updating it can resolve the malfunction. If the code persists after updating, substituting the PCM with a known good unit is advisable. This allows you to ascertain whether the issue lies within the original PCM or elsewhere in the vehicle system. If these tests confirm the presence of the same DTC, further investigation is warranted. The final troubleshooting step resumes with checking for the DTC after previously attempting software updates or substituting with a known good PCM. If after these attempts, DTC P060A is still indicated, it means further action is essential. If the PCM was updated successfully, repeat the check with the alternative PCM that was substituted in. This step is critical to differentiate whether the original PCM is at fault. However, if the problem persists, even after substituting with a known good PCM, it suggests that the issue may lie in another system component rather than the PCM itself. At this stage, conclude troubleshooting by addressing any new confirmed DTCs indicated for further analysis. Final repair verification is crucial to confirm the resolution of the issues corresponding with DTC P060A. Start by checking for any confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. This step ensures that all previous issues have been addressed and no new codes have appeared post-repair. If the DTC is no longer indicated, it signifies that the troubleshooting steps were successful and the issue has been resolved. However, if any new DTCs appear, then the respective troubleshooting paths must be reevaluated. Completing this verification process not only assures that the PCM is functioning optimally, but also enhances overall vehicle reliability. Preventive maintenance for the PCM and related systems can save time and resources. Regularly check and update the PCM software to ensure it's running the latest algorithms and updates. Additionally, routine diagnostic checks can help catch potential issues before they escalate to a full-blown malfunction, such as indicated by DTC P060A. Inspecting the electrical connections associated with the PCM can also mitigate issues caused by corrosion or physical disconnections. Taking these precautions will not only enhance the longevity of the PCM, but improve the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. Maintaining preventive measures helps avoid costly repairs and ensures peace of mind during travel. In summary, DTC P060A directly points to issues within the PCM, which is critical for the vehicle's operation. Understanding the potential causes and symptoms can help in timely diagnosis and repair. It's also important to faithfully follow the outlined troubleshooting steps to ascertain the condition of the PCM and to rule out other contributing factors. The process ensures an organized approach, leading to efficient vehicle repairs. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in avoiding future problems, making regular updates and inspections essential. Ultimately, addressing these issues promptly enhances vehicle performance and ensures safe driving conditions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.